Good morning, guys. Welcome back to the Latin Cyber. So today we're gonna be navigating in Wireshark, how to use it and how to change the layout so in different color before we start a video about Wireshark. So is there two different way that you can install Wireshark? I would say sudo. You can say sudo without sudo. You can install Wireshark through the terminal, just sudo Wireshark. Then gonna ask for your password. Start Wireshark. So the Wireshark is already started there. So you see it's a black there when I change the layout, the color, everything. So another way you can start without suit as well. So but, that way too with a privilege mode. So but the other way I was trying to say that you can start Wireshark, you can go here in the logo or the dragon here, and search Wireshark and just click on what chart you want to start it. So it's up to you at the end the way you want to start it. So but the main point about this video is we're gonna uh show you how you can start what chart. So here we have a some kind of net we're running. So we're gonna click on etc to start. Um like like we see here, we have a number, time, source, destination, protocol, length, and information. Um, I will show you how we can show the source port, destination port, and other stuff here in the column. So if you want to see that, let me first stop the here. So we're gonna click right here in the bar, and we're gonna go to column preference. We're gonna click let me move more to the middle. We're gonna click on plus. Uh, Sample, you're gonna sort port. We're gonna click through, we're gonna delete that, we're gonna time sort port, and then when I click and say number, we're gonna search for sort port. We're going to fast source, where you say sort, okay, sort address. Uh, so we have it right here, sort port. We click apply. Feel free to okay. We have a sort port here. So let's see sort for destinations as well. Let's just add it one more. Column preference, click plus. Uh, I'm gonna just sort. Destination, sorry, destination port. And so we click number, few time. Let's go destination port. I believe it's in the right here. Tap. We click apply. Okay. So like here we can see the space is like a huge. We're gonna move first. We can click there and the free side column weight. We click there. Which one it is? It's good there. What we're gonna do, we're gonna move put an M like sort port, we're gonna put in for sort IP address destination, which is right there. I'm over here. Um, let's say, if you say align to the center, the port number gonna go align to the center. So we're gonna move sort destination port. We're gonna put it here in front sort. So the way let's add it. Um, you see they have 508. Gonna put a small, we're gonna add it like a 150. Would be okay. Now it had no more side. Uh, good. So the time, we wanna change the time. We can change the time because if you don't understand the way it is displayed here, we can change the time that you can see the year and everything. So I'm gonna change the time. We're gonna go to a date column. And now let's hit the column again. Date column, you're here, we go here and we change the time that you wanna, that was the time, the format. So when I use UTC, the day, the year, whatever one you want. I like to use the one here. Click, and now click OK. And now the time's gonna be different, so we can see the year, month, and day, and time. So for example, let's see here, we cannot see any port yet because we haven't heard any network. If I go here and deep in, just to create some network. So let me start running again. Continue without saving. So we have the destination. So let's see, we have a protocol. It's doing everything right. So I don't know if you will open. So like we're running the ping command, so but isn't displaying this sort port and sort destination. What we're gonna do, we're gonna stop this and we're gonna go back here. We're gonna stop, Control C. We're gonna say like turn it B for 80, port 80, let's see, just in case, which is HTTP. And we're gonna run again this way. Now, sorry, Bluetooth. Just had to be different, had to be da. Now, yes. So if we go back here, without, now it's just playing the sort port, which is here, 417118 to port 80, port destination. That's the port we try to reach. So TCP, we see here, so what we're gonna do, we're gonna stop that. Let's protocol sort. So what we're gonna do, move down more to there. Just put the size more because let's just put this size. Wow, 500. It's just LAN protocol to the center. So destination port. Oh, let me just rename that part here. Let's column. I just saw destination port. Okay, now yes. So we're gonna try to move the port number right here to the middle. Just click here. we say align to the center, it's gonna be right in the center. We have that's the destination address, that's the source port we're coming, that is source IP address, which is that one. If you wanna convert that's our IP address, we go again here and we say to see our IP address, which is 192.168.214. If you go to Wireshark, that's our IP address. So that's one part that we can use Wireshark, like that you can identify port, protocol, LAN. So let me just move on to the bright to have a space. Now just let me back to the center, to the left. Yeah, to the left. So we have it here when I show the destination port, um, destination IP, so port. So here I'm gonna show you the time, the year, the month, day, and time. So that way I feel like you can use it more. So it's another way here. Let me display that differently. Like you can see actually like if you are some of the guy that's studying for CCNA, that's gonna be good for you. Let's just go again back to here. Uh, let's go view. Here's view. I did. I'm gonna go preference. I'm gonna go layout. So in layout, we're gonna package. So first, no, hold on. First, cancel. We're gonna go profile, default here. We're gonna click. We're gonna click new. If you want to add your name, you can add your name. They added my name. Say Latin Cyber. So we save it, we click OK. And now, so whenever again it did, a preference, on the layout, yeah, packet no, and we click apply. Okay. So here, with this way, we can say as well the destination. So for example, you have a pickup file. Later on, we're gonna using a pickup file, but here you can see show the field value. So when I say the broadcast, let's go down over here. Let me see what we can show you. Protocol request show sender the sender IP address, which is our IP address. Let's see the target IP address. So that's a way that you can use it, Wireshark. So my people, I hope that you like that video. If you like that video, don't forget leave your comment and hit a like. Stay tuned. See you to the next video.